Hi friends, and welcome again to see a new episode in the V12 engine series. I will continue working on the cylinder block step by step, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to post it in comment. I want just to talk about my website. That's the new thing I did for you. Here you can just click to begin. Okay, that's simple website. Click to begin. For now I have only four software. Okay, after I will add more. For example, you can find here the Fusion, or can go to tutorial and find Fusion 360. When you click on it, you will find many projects. Choose your project as I ask in the question. You have the V12 engine series here. When you click, you have part 1 and other parts I did. Okay, you can watch it here and make see others. Leave me a comment. Okay, if you have to ask something, you can post it here. Okay, I add the payable episodes. You can find it here too. For this, I did the payable episode to improve the channel and the website, and for many things. For this, I add a store. When you click on the store, I add all the episodes payable in YouTube, and I put it here. You can download it in the RAR file or zip file. Then after I will add the coupon and many things. Okay, if you have, for example, if you want to purchase this, just click and check out. You can remove it, put all your information here and press purchase. Okay, that's all. If you have any suggestion or question about this, don't hesitate to post it in the comment, and I will be grateful to all your comments and suggestions. I'm learning many things from you, and if you have anything, you are welcome. Then let's return to the tutorial. Okay, here I will activate the cylinder block, the component of the cylinder block, and start working. As you can see, the last feature we did is this. Rotate your model like this, and as you can see here, that's the reference for you to make your sketch here. Zoom in and press C to have a circle. I'm working in the 3D view because when you make it in the 2D view, maybe you have to touch the geometry behind the circles. Okay, add some dimensions to your circle. Now go on and select this zone, extruded cut. Okay, or you can press here using a Q. We have two surfaces to reach here. Okay, first of all, you have to choose in the extent. Okay, in the extent to object, and select this surface. As you can see, Fusion give us an error because we have fixed something. Here you have to choose extend faces, okay? Once you have this result, go on and select the other face or other side to make the same thing, but in little different in the dimension, okay? Then when we finish this, we'll make a rectangular pattern, okay, to make the same thing in the other of the face. Once you finish sketching, press Q and push. Then you have the cut extrude feature. Make the same thing in this method, okay? Choose the object to object, okay? Select the surface. You have an error, just press in this button and you have nice result here. Don't forget to save your file. Once you finish all this feature, we have to repeat this using a rectangular pattern. Go to create rectangular pattern. Then you have this window, choose feature in the parameter tip, then choose the two of them. For the direction you have to select just this edge, choose here spacing. For the spacing, the number and the distance, we have 90, and repeat this 7 times. Then press OK. You can't see anything because we have an error. The error came when I did the extruded cut. I choose extend to surface. Then when you repeat the same cut, he does not select Fusion, he does not select extend option to the other surfaces automatically. Then to fix this, we have to choose the compute option and change it. And you have a nice result here in the both side. To see what's going on there, you can just select the surface analyze, and you can move just the arrow and see what's going on there. That's the water came from the outside and reach these holes, okay, in the center of the cylinder block. In the next episode, I hope you will be in time to see this.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to receive more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make a thumbs up.
Cheers.